I came across this productivity channel. The videos were awesome, but the thumbnails were even more awesome. So I will show you how to make these thumbnails in just few minutes. So first, I will break down the thumbnail and why it works. First thing, they use a really bold font which is very visible from any distance. Second thing, their thumbnails are simple and we love things that are simple to understand, and they max compose of 2 or 3 elements. You have an easier time understanding or seeing the thumbnail. And last, they have a lot of white space, so it naturally makes it stand out in a place where every thumbnail is a piece of junk cluttered with every little element. What we can take away from this: make the text noticeable, make it minimal, use max 2 or 3 elements, and have a white space. One last thing, they have a small branding, this red star or whatever. We already have a white background which checks out that we need negative space. Let's do something like how to read. Never use complete black. I messed up the spelling, no worries. We are gonna use a very bold font. So some of my suggestion you can have is Boldoons, Helvetica, Helvetica, or you can use lemon milk. I think I'm gonna go with lemon milk. Leave some negative space here, some here, and a little bit here. And in the second element, you can see it is also quite polished and minimal, but you can see in their channel there are a lot of singular element, and they sometimes also use halftones. So we just need a simple transparent PNG element. For that, you can just go to Pinterest and type book PNG, or just you can do a normal web search for it. Now from here, just take a nice PNG which looks really sophisticated and like something that is like very aesthetic. So for that, I'm thinking of taking this one. Seems very aesthetic and eye-pleasing, you know. Now we can see that we don't really have to remove the background here because the background is already white. There is not much need of doing anything. And now the last step, that small branding. For that, we are just going to use a star on our keyboard, which has a star which has like 5 arms. So Arial has a 5 arm. Now change the color to something bright red, which tends to be a little white. That's it. Put it somewhere like this, or maybe even like this, maybe even like this. The only thing that seems different here is a font, which you can actually change. I believe the font they're using is Clash Display. Okay, pretty close. Yeah, the font they're using is probably not Clash Display, but yeah, it is pretty close. And if you're an editor, check out the plugin link in the description. Subscribe.